So we are back again. I have my second FabFitFun box. After doing the first box, it was confirmed that was the starter box, and this is the first actual seasonal box that I've received. So you can tell I have zero experience with FabFitFun other than just seeing some people post things on Instagram or Facebook. So I'm completely new to this, so I have no knowledge. I've not watched any videos. So this is just all on a whim, learning as I go. I'm really excited about this first box, so glad you came back to check this one out. After watching the last one, I think it was sort of like Country Girl Gets a Glam box. So hopefully I won't embarrass myself as much this go round and won't break products and mispronounce things. So who knew it was jojoba or whatever. So anyways, let's get ready to open the first full-size FabFitFun box. And again, the packaging, I really love the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Let's see, this one is not a do-it-yourself box. This one is in support of the Special Olympics. So, all right, and this is another editor's box. So looks like we've got, goodness, there's a lot of stuff in this box. So I'm really excited all of a sudden. Like I said, I don't know anything about this. I knew the starter box had 4 items. My sister had purchased a box and sent me a starter box invite for $5. So that's how I got the first starter box for $5. I had the code. Sent it off to 3 others, and actually 2 of those got the box before I even got mine, but that's okay. So we're still working on this. I'm excited still. So this is my first experience with the big box. So, oh my heavens, I don't know if all this is in here or not. Surely not. It says the editor's box has a total retail value of $206 to $451. So I don't know how this works, so we'll see what I got in mine. A couple of little coupons and information brochures. Pass this on to a friend so I can send someone a 15% off box. So I may put that up, see if I can get a code here soon for everybody. Our Place, 20% off best-selling kitchen essentials. That's great. And then HelloFresh, so 10 free meals with a purchase. So that's great. All right, let's see. Okay, where to start? Okay, I'm gonna start right here. This is fun. Okay, y'all know I can't read. Color Enhancing pH Balm, Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. Okay, Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. Let's see if I can find it on here. Oh, there we go. Normally $18. It's a FabFitFun pick. So this is one of the surprise things. We'll surprise you with 3 options we think you'll love. So this is one of my surprise picks. Give your lips a just been kissed flush of color with the tinted and pH hybrid balm. Okay, well, certainly excited to give that a try. Can you tell I'm wearing my, what was it? Ish. I'm wearing the Ish from the starter box. So I'm not normally like a real glossy lip gloss person. I'd rather have like a matte look, but we went out tonight, so wow. Okay, well, Winky Lux, that is exciting stuff right there. That is fancy. So okay, well, definitely excited about that. Hashtag It's a Winky World. I do love all the hashtags that they put on there. What do we have next? We have Skin Volve Body Boost Gel, a gel stimulant. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, $45 retail value. So that is a select member. Select members get to customize 4 to 5 things in their box. Otherwise, we will choose the best option for you. And I don't recall picking anything, so I don't know how this works. So I guess all of mine are surprises. So I didn't look at what was coming, but okay. Green tea, ginseng, and menthol targets problem areas to give you smoother skin. Well, So I got some problem areas. So we'll be giving that a try. So excited about that one. All right, Apto Skincare Summer Mist Set, the must-have duo for fresh skin this summer. It's July, so I've missed about 5 weeks of summer, but I'm excited to give this a try because who doesn't love turmeric, pomegranate, curcuma, and granada? So it's for all face types, and it looks like that's probably, so a $14 value. Freshen up on the go with this herbal healing mist that keeps skin soft and dewy. Dewy is a new thing for me. I've never wanted to be dewy before, but apparently that's the new look. And after being pregnant 3 times, I can tell you it was never a look I tried to have, but it occurred naturally during those pregnancies. So it's not a glow that you see, it's not a glisten, it's sweating. I'm sweating. So, makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. I can live with that. Antibacterial, reusable, #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Sustainable. That's a hot topic word right there. So let's see here. Retail value, $31. It's another pick item, another FabFitFun surprise pick item. Erase the day and makeup away with just water. So I love that. I love using products without chemicals. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. All right, well now that I can get on board with. I will definitely enjoy trying that. So you can wash it, you wet it, you erase, and you exfoliate. Wash it approximately 1 to 2 times per week. So there's that. What else here? Okay, Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops, Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. So I'm guessing that's a makeup primer. It can be used alone for naturally dewy skin. So if you want to have that, I just got soaked in a rainstorm look, here is another option for you. See, we didn't have YouTube and Pinterest and all of these fun little makeup tutorial videos when I was growing up, when I was starting to wear makeup like in middle school. What I had was 17 magazine. So you just basically ripped pages out of the magazine, hung them up, and did your best. So I really love that, you know, we can try out new products, and I could probably find someone online who's used this and figure out exactly how to use it. But until the meantime, it is, oh, there it is. Okay, so this is 3G, so all members get to customize categories 1 to 3 in their box. Again, I missed out on the customization because I don't know what I'm doing. But next time on the next box, hopefully I will customize some things, have an idea what's coming. So they just threw some things in there, probably what they thought that I would like. So this is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. Give your skin a natural, dewy complexion. Once again, you want a big girl look? You want a big girl just climb the stairs look? All right, ooh, now this is fun. I mean, it's all been fun. Am I kidding? I love all of this. Okay, Yumi Kim Hanging Train Case. Okay, this train case features a hanger and fold-out pockets for major storage capabilities. Retail value, $50. Guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, I paid less than $50 for this whole box. So if that's the actual retail value of this, then I'm sold. So seriously, that's a great deal. Oh, how sweet. I needed a new one of these. I have like an LLB one that my parents got me when I was in college. It's red that I've had for like, well, I won't tell you, long enough that I need dewy skin now. So there we go. I love that. So you can put your little makeup, you can put your makeup products, your toiletries, your jewelry. I'm not super high maintenance, so I know there's a lot of more stuff out there for like jewelry where they have like compartments for it. But this is great, I think, for toiletries, going on a little trip, maybe just keep things together. Yumi Kim, thank you very much. It's a nice little satin pink bag, floral bag there. so it all matches. Ooh, what is this? Stone Street Soap House Wholesome Body Cream. Hey ho. Yep. Hey ho. All right, let's check it out. What is this one? This is another 4E item, so I'm assuming this is select members get to customize categories. So this is just for select members. So all members can choose categories 1 to 3. Select members, I guess if you up your membership, you get to choose items 4 through 5. Otherwise, they just put things in here. So this is one of those. The formula contains English honey and almond oils to nourish your skin. Retail value, $25. Ooh, okay. That is, I love that smell. I don't like a lot of fruity smells. I don't want to smell like food, and so I tend to lean towards florals. I like my kitchen, my house to smell fruity. Like I don't mind, you know, the pumpkin spices and the apple cinnamons during certain seasons. But for the most part, I'm gonna lean towards like an evergreen fir year round, because Christmas is just, I have the heart of Christmas, so it's really all year round. But that smells lovely. It's very floral, it's very fresh. Oh, that smell, oh my gosh, like I just wanna keep opening that up. Okay, this, I haven't smelled anything else, but oh, let's just put that on right now. I would have paid $50 for that, I think. Probably not, but hey ho, yeah. Oh, I'm still in the top on. I still love the way it smells. It's smelling my hands. Okay, so, okay, get you some of that. Some Stone Street Soap House. That is amazing, I love that. All right, let's move on here. I think this is our last item. Wow, yay! Okay, y'all, I love me some trips, okay? I'm a travel professional. Like I help people book like travel vacations, and so this is one item that I constantly am recommending to clients. So I am so excited to try these out. Cowpack packing cubes. Yay! Okay, this is fun. They have carrying handles, personal ID. You can put your personal ID in there. Mesh, back zippered pockets, and they come in, shut up, it's a 3-piece set. Oh my goodness, okay. This is a retail value of $40. So it's certainly prettier than the ones you just find on Amazon. So I'm sure Amazon has pretty ones too, but okay, I love these. I love that they're mesh. You can see what's in them. With children, this is fantastic. So, oh my goodness, yes. And you can, there's 3 different sizes. You have a small, medium, and large. So let me show you. They range in sizes. So see, that, isn't that great? And you have access to the zipper pouch back. There's a storage little place there, and then of course you have almost like a little lunch box, but you wouldn't want to use it as a lunch box. So you got the inside, again, mesh and breathable. So I love that. You can pack some snacks in there. I will say they probably don't feel like, they're not like the sturdiest packs that I own, but those are cute. They're like little spring summery ombre colors. So I love those. I'm very excited about those. Gosh, FabFitFun, you nailed me on those last 2 products. Gosh, I would have paid full price for those 2 things right there. So I'm very excited. And look at all the rest of the stuff we have. Oh my gosh, y'all. Like, I got all kinds of travel stuff. They know that I'm about to hit the road again. That's what they know. They know it's time. So there you go. It looks like that is it. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 8 full-size products. And those are great products. I will say, for someone who doesn't know a thing about FabFitFun, I would absolutely pay, and I will pay, to have one of these again. So this was amazing. I am so excited to try these products out. Lord knows I'm gonna travel, and I'm gonna have some dewy skin. So I'm gonna hit the road and look like I got in a downpour. I'm gonna check them up. This needs to be a candle, okay? Stone Street Soap House. I don't know if y'all hear me, but I'm gonna be checking y'all out, and I'm gonna need a candle in this. So that is, woo, really great. All right, everybody, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to the next box and letting you see this country girl go glam. See you later.